Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, this is Katie, and in this video we're taking a look at the Trangia Series 25 cook set. This is not a paid promotion, we purchased these items ourselves. We'll put product links in the description. While the kettle is included in our set, it isn't included in all the cook sets that Trangia puts out. Things that are included are the 22 centimeter fry pan, the 1.5 liter and the 1 3/4 liter saucepans, the spirit burner, the handle, and the strap. Trangia has several different versions of their cook sets in that the materials that the fry pan and saucepans are made of can be different. In our set, the fry pan and the 2 saucepans are both hard anodized aluminum. Everything else in the kit is aluminum. Trangia's 25 series cook sets are made for cooking when you have 3 to 4 people. They also have a 27 series, which is made for 1 to 2 people. There are several Trangia accessories we're going to look at. One is the carry bag. It's bright orange. It's nicely made and has a drawstring closure. Another accessory that we purchased that nests perfectly in the set is the lid. It has a strainer and a notch cut out for the handle. Very well thought out. It can also be used as a cutting board or a platform to set the base on. Another accessory that fits perfectly with this cook set is the Trangia gas burner. This gas burner I've had for a long time, and it snaps just beautifully into the base. To try everything out, we're going to boil water in a little kettle and make some tea. Then we're going to make some rice, some edamame, and some salmon. light boil. Took it about 4.5 minutes. Edamame's been boiling for about 2.5 minutes. I'll take it off in about another 30 seconds to a minute. That's not bad. I'm concerned that my closing thoughts are going to sound a lot like a commercial because I like everything about the Trangia cook set. High points are the windscreen that completely protects the flame from being blown out or influenced by the wind. It works beautifully. The accessories, especially the lid, I like the straining lid. It's super easy to use. It has nice grooves, so it works well with either saucepan. I think my favorite part about the whole thing is how well everything nests. Everything goes together well. And I also like the width of the base. It has a nice wide base. It feels very secure and stable. I did have some sticking of the salmon when I first started cooking it in the fry pan. I believe that's because I had the temperature a little too hot. When I backed it down, then there wasn't any more issue with sticking, and of course the additional butter helped with that. And when I used the little spatula to rub the bottom of the pan, the bits that were on it came off super easy. Because it's hard anodized aluminum, I am going to go through the process of seasoning the fry pan and the two saucepans to try to build up a non-stick surface a little bit better on them, especially the fry pan. Even though the set is designed to be used for 3 to 4 people, I like it for using it for just Bill and I. The bowls and the fry pan and everything aren't that much bigger than the 27 series, and they're pleasant sizes. They're not huge. You can get nice sized portions in them. We'll put product links in the description. Let us know what you think in the comments. And thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time. You did good. You're like a little wood chipper.